what we all can do collectively with the power of internet being accessible to everyone and everyone has access to make videos. अगर आप लोगों ने इतनी मोस्ट पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री है अपनी, 1.4 बिलियन इज नॉट अ जोक, अगर हम सब ने साथ में मिलके एक इंटरनेट पे जैसे इन पर्सन मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं, सोनम वांगचुक सर, ऐसी नोन पर्सनालिटीज भी हैं जो जाके हंगर स्ट्राइक को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे जाके अपनी सॉलिडारिटी दिखा रहे हैं, एंड बिग शाउट आउट टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज, यू डू हैव करेज. But what about these celebrities, so-called celebrities who are not deserving to be called as celebrity, tons of attitude, and when it is real time to voice out and to show solidarity, these guys are hidden. गांधी जी ने कहा था बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो, बुरा मत बोलो. तो ये अंधभक्तों ने, जो हमारे प्रिय मोदी जी के चाटू करता हैं, उन सब लोगों ने ये पॉलिसी अपना ली है. जो भी बुरा बीजेपी करती है उन सब के आगे हम लोगों को अपनी आंखें, अपने कान और अपना मुंह, तीनों चीजें बंद करके रखनी चाहिए. उल्टा मैं तो ये देख के हैरान हूँ कि सेलिब्रिटीज लाइक सुनील शेट्टी, अक्षय कुमार, अनुपम खेर, ऑल दीज पीपल, रवि किशन, एवरीबडी ऑफ देम आर, चलो ठीक है तुम में इतना गूदा नहीं है कि तुम गलत को गलत कह सको, पर कम से कम इतनी शर्म तो रखो कि गलत को सही ना बोलो. आई एम शॉक टू द कोर. Just stay shut only, no? How the hell can you come and defend 200 crore Ram Mandir story? Well, I don't want to get into, want to go down to the level of these so-called fake celebrities. I just have one request from all of you. Whoever can go and join the Chalo Sansad movement on 20th July at Jantar Mantar, please go ahead and show your support. And if not by that, we all as 1.4 billion Indian citizen, we all can come together and we all can show our solidarity through internet by uploading as many videos as possible and tagging all the relevant people, BJP party, Narendra Modi, Dharmendra Pradhan's account, and all CJP party, everybody who is relevant in every account which is relevant to this particular moment. We can tag all of them so that at least this much noise should be created over internet. Imagine if all of us together will show our support for this particular movement through internet. I have only 2-3 requests from all of you. One, if we can make it in person, please let's try. Second thing is 1.4 billion people are no joke. One common man is way more powerful than these 100 fake celebrities. So all of you can just unfollow these celebrities from your account. A sudden drop down in their following will definitely come across as a tight slap. I hope that does, because I don't think that they consider common man as anything or anyone. Not just the celebrities, but also unfollow all the partner platforms such as Prime Videos or Netflix. With the easy access to internet and with the power of making video which is available to each and everyone, if you can go ahead and make videos on daily basis and upload about this matter so that this become as loud noise as possible, it would be great. But if not that, at least upload stories, and even if not that, then just go on Cockroach Janata Party's page and tag these relevant people as much as possible. And even while making videos, इन सबको टैग करो और इन सबको बताओ कि अगर वाकई में कॉमन मैन ने अपनी पावर शो करना स्टार्ट कर दी तो फिर चेंजेस हो सकते हैं.